Wondered how the wealthy keep getting wealthier? Today, I'm going to share with you the ultimate rich roadmap that guides the elite. And guess what? You can follow it too. Let's dive in and unlock the secrets to building your fortune. First things first, let's talk about saving. I know it might sound basic, but hear me out. Saving isn't just about putting money aside each month. It's about being smart with your money. That means cutting unnecessary expenses, yes, but also knowing where to stash your cash. High-yield savings accounts, certificates of deposit, and money market funds are your best friends here. Now, moving on to the exciting part, investments. This is where the magic happens. The wealthy don't just save, they multiply their savings. Start by dipping your toes into the stock market. But here's the kicker. It's not just about picking stocks randomly. It's about strategic investments. Think index funds for starters, as they are diversified and generally less risky. Real estate, another goldmine. Property values tend to increase over time, providing excellent returns on investment through rental income and capital gains. But remember, it's crucial to research and understand the market you're entering. What about a side hustle? Yes, that's part of the roadmap too. The digital era has opened up countless opportunities. Whether it's freelance writing, online tutoring, or starting your own e-commerce store, find what you're passionate about and monetize it. Lastly, never stop learning. The financial world is ever-changing, and staying informed is your ticket to success. Read books, watch seminars, or even take courses on finance and investing. Knowledge is power. And in this case, it's financial power. So, there you have it, folks. Your very own rich roadmap. It's not just about making money. It's about making smart money moves. Keep following this path, and who knows? I might be talking about your success story next time. Stay motivated and keep pushing towards your financial goals. Catch you later on Rich Roadmap YouTube channel. Subscribe and activate the ring bell.